we are gonna change the screen protector for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is the way that we have to do. We have the sheet for that. Now we have to select the brand and we have to input the model of the phone S22, the S22 Ultra. So let it be. So now we have to just take this over there and hold that. Now we have to align with the line. Once it's aligned, just cut it, just pull it back, and now with cover you can just send this. It's gonna cut it. Perfect, now it's here. Isopropyl alcohol. Make sure there's no dust. Clean it properly, because if there is any dust, it makes some bubbles and it don't look good. Take this, align it properly. Just go like this.
What's going on, man?
I'm good, sir. You?
Good. I went to click my button on my phone today this morning.
Okay.
On the plastic.